All right, people. This is how you build an igloo. This is the inside view. It's not too big yet. Waiting for more snow. Not quite big enough to sit in. You can see the light poking through a little bit right there, but it's really 2 feet thick right there. I had a neighbor from Canada. He said him and his brother used to use a bulldozer, pile up a bunch of snow, dig out from the inside. So it only took me about an hour to pile up this much snow. So you got about 2 feet of snow here in Cleveland. Right here. This is what we call Fort Truly. That's the top of the castle. It's about 5.5 feet tall. So you leave this overnight, it'll freeze. I left the bottom layer to freeze for a week and it's frozen solid. Not a good example right there, but the inside of this with all my condensation from my mouth really melted that inside layer. This thing is gonna be solid when it gets to -1 tomorrow. All right, guys, all you have to do, build up a mountain of snow, dig it out from the inside, and you got yourself a house for Christmas.